Okay, so everybody's had enough of their bullshit. We're fucking sick and tired of it. So what we're gonna do now is, remember I told you how they figure out and they do an equation on you to figure out what your triggers are, what makes you fear, what makes you in your ego, and they make a graph. Okay, now this is their control mechanism for each person, and I'm gonna teach to you, and I hope you understand why global warming is literally about that graph. Do they have control? No, they're little bitches. Okay, so smooth line graphs, okay, representing related numbers by smooth line graph. Because I already showed you how to take a letter and make it a number, because every letter is you. Is it sinking in yet? Okay. Example, represent graphically the following temperature readings. Oh, this population does this population reacts to this one does, this one doesn't. You're getting it. You're getting global warming. Congratulations. I've been telling you this whole time. Okay. Explanation of the graph below. The temperature scale, yeah, is marked on the vertical axis. The amount of control and persuasion they have of, fuck, where did I put it? Here we go. The crowd. A study of the popular mind. Do you see how fucked they are yet? I think this is fun. Okay, so now we're going to keep going. Okay, a point is placed above the point which represents 7 a.m. and opposite the point represents 5 degrees. A point is placed in this manner for each hour of the table. So what they do is they draw a graph of the crowd, a study of the popular mind, right? And their biggest point that they need, right, is these little bitches, the power of fear. And then this scale is representing their influential points, which are, hold on, the Illuminati in politics, the Illuminati in religion, the Illuminati in science. Is it making sense now? The Illuminati in the arts. Wow, remember all them push DEI, gay and trans, get it? And our place in finance and industry. Why do you think they're making egg prices so high and groceries so unable to afford? That's their fucking population control. Remember, I told you in South Park, it's PC principle. Principle for personality. Population control principle. Okay, now we're going to keep going here. Okay, so a point is placed in the manner for each hour of the table. So that's why shows last a half hour, so they get a double scale. These points are connected by a smooth curve. What they're doing works and what they're doing don't work. That's why they do new episodes of TV shows to see what works and what doesn't, to make their graph of how to manipulate the crowd, the popular mind. See, the approximate temperature at 9:20 can be found from the graph as follows. The point H indicates the time, 9:20. Start at H, that's the basis. Let your eye move up to T on the graph, then move horizontally to 11 on the temperature axis, right? So that's just showing you how a graph works. You got the time and the temperature, right? You got the time that they put this persuasion in their beast of the air and the amount of temperature or effect that it takes on the population. So the probable temperature at 9:20 is 11 degrees. The graph shows that the highest temperature was 20 degrees when you draw a graph pointing directly below their points, the number which mark the scale on the horizontal axis, and directly at the left of their points, print the numbers which mark the scale of the vertical axis. This is also how they do like Congress hearings, how they do meetings, right? They use the same graph, right? Points, their points, what you're talking about, and how they can influence the crowd, the study of the popular mind, to go against that or not. That's population control. And let me help you understand something right here. Remember, they have the doomsday clock, the power of fear, and that is also on that same scare. And to increase the power of fear and influence on the bullshit they spread in your fucking head, they put out a clock. It's like 1 minute to midnight, you're doomed. So do this, do as we say. Go fuck yourselves.